My name is John Mario Gomez Vélez. I am 22 years old. I consider that I have personality traits such as that I am a super social person, respectful and also responsible and very committed. As what I purpose as goals or objectives, one of the activities that most I like to dance, I go to the gym. An activity that I don't like is waiting for someone or something. I am located in the department of Guaviare, 4831 km from the capital of the country, being a green department for excellence, with many tourist sites with all of the natural national parks as it is, the Chiribiquete mountain range. And good to know, and my favorite book is the Rat Rebellion. My favorite celebration is the Afro-Colombian Day celebration. They make Queen's parades. They carry out activities such as dance parades, very colorful, artisanal, autochthonic and cultural exhibition of the Afro-Colombian region. They make or sell food especially typical of the Caribbean or Colombia Pacific. Parade of orchestras and fireworks display. Men wear suits such as white shirts like a lot of flashy color or normal jeans. Afro-Colombian ancestral song contest. The women use turbans on their heads with colorful blouses that have Afro-representative figures of the region and flashy lycras. Integration with visited on fairy jeans to Paris. Always move in my house. Sometimes I don't wash the bathrooms, I never clean the dust off the shelf, rarely sprinkle water on plants. I often organize the dining room. I always wash the dishes. Sometimes I lay in my parents' bed. I never clean my spider weeds, rarely change the position of the house. I am often the last to get out of bed. Right now I watch the television show with Sing With Me. Right now I see the novel Love and Life. I recently watched the movie Zombieland. I recently watched the movie Evil Owner of Evil. Lately I am listening to the song To Die For of Sam Smith. I am currently listening to Halsey's song Without Me. I am currently listening to the song Bad Fame of Dana Paola. At the moment I am not reading any books. I am currently accompanying my aunt to the hospital. I wake up at 7 a.m. to bed. I am currently traveling at 7 p.m. I watch the news. Short dresses should be worn in spring. We must wear skirts in spring. Flip-flops must be worn in summer. We must use skeletons and sunscreen in summer. Long boots must be worn in autumn. We must wear long pants in autumn. Vests must be worn in autumn. We must wear gloves in winter. Winter hats must be worn. We must wear jackets and shorts clothes in winter.